This 2024 Jayco Seismic 405 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco Seismic 405 is 14,088 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.